Cobwebs are a favorite around Halloween to make Halloween outfits. For this one, I'm going to use string again, but because I want to pull it quite tightly, I'm actually going to double the string up a few times. A cobweb is once again a rounded shape, so it's going to start in much the same way as the other rounded shapes that we've already made. I run the string down the length of the cloth, then I just hold it in place with my thumb and I start to wind it around the fabric very, very tightly. Then you want to move down at even spacing, and this is what's going to create the beautiful cobweb shape. When I get near the end of my string, you want to pull it very tight and then loop it under a couple of times so that it doesn't come loose in the dye.